Good morning. Yeah, it's another day trip here in the Model Y. My wife and I are heading down doing some shopping. We're heading down on 26 here. We'll be going to a place called Costco. It's a warehouse store. We come down 26 and we get off here on Highway 29, and Costco is located just over here by the mall. Today we'll be heading south probably 20 some miles to Costco, and we got a bunch of other errands to do, and then we're heading home. So let's hit the road. Yes, it's true. I did wash the Model Y. It's absolutely clean. Be heading out to Wyoming this month, and I didn't want to have another 6 months of dirt here on the Model Y. It looks good. It does have a full wrap and ceramic coating over the wrap, so it holds up really well to a lot of dirt. We're starting our adventure at 56% today. I should have enough for all the adventures we got planned today. This is a very familiar sight. Horses and horse trailers. People are always taking their horses somewhere around here. Interstate 26 eastbound here now. Runs north and south, as you know. A little bit of traffic today, it's not bad. On autopilot as usual. It's Interstate 85 here. We go south of this here. Get off on Highway 29. This is Highway 29 where we get off. And we're here at Blackstock now, making a left. The mall is over here to the left. And behind the mall is a place called Costco. It's a warehouse store, kind of like Sam's Club, but it's a little bit more exclusive stuff. Better vegetables, we think. And here's the Costco store. Apparently lots of other people like it. Yeah, I usually find an in spot. Today I got actually in the shade, so that was good. Yeah, it's a cold room where all the cold vegetables are. Here is the Bounty. All kinds of goodies. So I think we're ready to check out soon here in Costco. All right, we are checked out and headed to the car. Not too many people here today in the parking lot of Costco, but it's not bad. Yeah, so we have these cold bags. We take all the cold stuff and put it inside. Keeps it from melting. And we take all salads and things and put them in the cold bag. All right, we've done it. Another load in the Model Y. Yeah, it looks like lunch is City Range. This little place here. Let's see what we can find to eat. Just back in the car here now from eating at the City Range. It was a pretty nice place, reasonable prices, and very good food. We're on the way to Academy Sports. We're going to buy a trail cam. My wife reports that something's getting into the food, even though the top is screwed down tight. So we need to see what it is. Could be the Bigfoot or something like that. I have an old trail cam, but I'm going to buy a new one today. So let's head over to Academy Sports. Academy Sports is just around the corner here.
Now turn right onto West Oiso Boulevard.
What she said. It's across the interstate here. It's 83 degrees today. It's kind of warm, but in the car it's fine. Got it set to 68 here. So this is Academy Sports. We got everything in here. Anything you'd ever want. Bought the trail cam for our barn. All right, we are back in the car from Academy Sports. We found ourselves a trail cam so we can identify the critters in the barn. And now we're headed over to a place called Harbor Freight. This is Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight's got all kinds of stuff. So this is Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight is a cool place to buy all kinds of tools and paraphernalia you may need at the house. Yeah, we left the dog mode on. Dog mode keeps it 68 or 70 inside of the car when you leave it. And I can turn it on remotely with the app, but the dog mode's easy. You just come over here. It's normally in the off. You click dog and you leave the car. And it's great. Okay, we're on to the next place, wherever that may be. Where are we going?
I don't know.
We don't know. So we're going to head towards the house. Something will come up, I guess.
Oh, I know what we need to get.
Where do we got to go?
We need some box fans.
Oh,
Do you want
yeah.
to go over here to Ollie's and see if they have them?
Yeah, sure. Okay, we got to get some box fans for the horses. So we're going to go check and see what we can find. Yeah, it's 95 down here today. Down in South Carolina. It tends to be a little warmer down here because it's lower elevation. So we're going to go here. I'm going to drop my wife Sue off, and she's going to go and see if she can find her box fans here at this place called Ollie's right here. All right, I think on the way back when my wife gets out here, we're going to go ahead and go cross country here. We're going to go all the way up here to Highway 585, and then we'll take that, and that turns to 176, and 176 then goes all the way up to Landrum here, and then we'll take Landrum home. So I think that's how we're going to go. It's a nice day. Yeah, it's 90 degrees, but it's pleasant to drive, and we're going to take 2-lane home. We've come up empty here at Ollie's, so we're going to go to the Home Depot. Home Depot is a gigantic home improvement center. It's up here, and they usually have a bunch of that kind of stuff, so we're heading that way now. Yeah, I thought I'd park and wait for my wife to come back out. No use both of us going in, even though it's a very cool place, Home Depot is. All right, we scored. Sue found 2 box fans. The horses love to stand in front of the box fans, and after a while with all the dirt and everything, and then the horses want to play with them, and then they wreck them. So got a couple more box fans. Wow, come on, boys. We got a moped here now. Where are you going, buddy? All right. Wow. Anyway, we're on the way home now on the back roads. And anything else you think you might need?
I think we're good. Thank you.
All right.
Referral?
Yeah, we're going to go on 176 home.
Oh, that's right.
All right, well, let's work our way that way. Get out of this bunch of traffic here. We are now eastbound on Highway 29. Gonna go make a left up here on this big size road, and then head across town. This road is called Powell Road. Kind of goes through a bunch of industrial and residential areas here. All right, we're now in an older neighborhood here. Something over here looks like a big chimney doing something, some industrial something. Wow, looks pretty old here. Oh, look at that. Some kind of industrial something. This building here is pretty old, tile roof. You don't see that very often. Yeah, it's some kind of old factory, I think. All right, here we go. Under the train track. It's not wide enough for 2 cars. That guy was nice enough. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. That's an old undercrossing there. All right, so this is Highway 56, which happens to be the road we want. Well, that worked out. Car beside me had a left-hand turn arrow and nobody else was around, so I took it. So here we are. We're on Highway 56 here now, which turns into Highway 176 where we were going anyway. This is called Asheville Highway. All right, 56 here hooks up with 176. We'll merge here, and then we'll be on 176 proper. Nice piece of junk in the road.
How about the yard art?
Yeah, some kind of yard art. All right, we're on 176 now. Fixer-upper. We're in the little town of Inman now, South Carolina here. And everybody needs a junkyard. We're north of Inman now. Now this is a cool place. It's a very old house. It's brother newer. I'm in a little burg called Grambling. Here's the country store. Very cool old house, nice porch. Back in the day, Highway 176 was the main artery from the Asheville, Hendersonville area all the way to Spartanburg. So there's a lot of services, service stations, things like that. Even a lot of cool old houses along the way here too. This is a little town of Campobello. You guys have probably seen it. I've driven through here a lot. It's not very far south where I live. Highway department, it looks like. Older homes, been here a long time as well. Up here is the downtown area. There's some old homes here. Folks like old buildings with a lot of sign artage on the sign. This has been many things, it looks like. Little downtown Cabello now. Old house. A lot of moss around it, just like in scary movies. Just coming into the city of Landrum here. This is the junction of 176 and Highway 14. And this is Highway 14 here now in Landrum. We're going to turn right, go through town. It's a little town of Landrum here. It's a nice place. Fun to come and eat and play around down here. That just about concludes our adventure for today. Odometer's reading 56.8. Got a few miles to go before I get home. Used 17 kilowatt hours of energy. Averaged about 295 watt hours per mile. It was a good day. We went down and had to do some shopping at a place called Costco, as you know. We went over to lunch at the city range. It was very good. We went to a couple stores looking for some box fans for the horses, which we eventually found at Home Depot. And I decided to drive the back roads home instead of taking Interstate 26. It's a nice day. It's a pleasant drive, so we all got to enjoy that. I appreciate you watching, and if you like this video, go ahead and click the like. Click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown here at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.